So I have a story here about Harold and Sunshine. When my mother died of a stroke in a North Las Vegas hospital, the day she died, she was only there a week. She had a stroke one day and had a massive one a week before, where it took her. And the day she died, her husband, for some reason, had left the hospital before she died, went home, which was 2 hours away in Lake Havasu, drove back, and had all Mother's animals in his car. Her cat, her dog, these cockatiels, lovebirds, and a parrot. And she died that day. And her husband said, I can't take care of these animals. I'm going to have to do something with them. I'm going to have to put them give them to a pet shop or pound. And we were mortified. We just lost our mother that day, and we knew how much she loved her animals, and that's where we get our love from animals, is my mom. So, thank you, Pins. So, thank you, Minnie. So, anyways, that date was September 3rd, 2003. Now, zoom in, it's April 2024. I remember asking Matthew, what are their names? I got the cockatiels, Johnny took the cat and the dog, Patty took the lovebirds and the parrot. Hi, Pins. You're not in this video, Pins, sorry. Anyways, he didn't know their names. Oh, Minnie, please, honey, please. He didn't know their names. Sorry about that, guys. I wanted to tell their story. That's a Lewis I cart behind this bird cage. That's a great one, Kittens, I think it's called. Anyways, he didn't know their names. And I said, well, how old were they? I don't know, he said. Well, when did Mom get them? I don't know, he said. So we don't know how old these birds are because Mama couldn't tell me. I can't imagine living with somebody who didn't know the names of my animals or the story. But anyways, they are still kicking. As you can see, I don't like anything caged. So they sleep in there, and I cover them at night so they're warm. It's been so cold at night. But their door is always open, so they can come in and out as they please. That's the story, you guys, of Harold and Sunshine. And my question is, how long do cockatiels live? Who out there, how old did your cockatiel live to?